I'm here for a quick unboxing. I placed an order with Chic Sparrow, which you can see right here. I've actually never had anything come in a pretty blue, one of the padded envelopes before, so I'm actually kind of interested to see what's in here. So I ordered a few items. All I did was cut open the plastic bag, and so I have never gotten an order yet that has the new paper and the cute little sticker. So this, I'm assuming, has, ooh, look at that arrow sticker, very cute. It also has another one of the Chic Sparrow stickers. It has the stop your leather, and then it also has my invoice. Oh, cool. It has one of the Washington State, one of the Washington State stickers. Very cool. And one of their business cards. And of course the invoice was in the envelope that's stamped Chic Sparrow. So, let's see. I ordered some little things. And since I've never seen this, I'm going to open one up. Oh, look, it's a beautiful yellow inside. Very cool. Okay, so we're going to save this and journal about it a little bit later. So you can see I have something quite tiny. And I also have here, these are the passport. And they are the, I ordered 2 of them, it says. These are the, if I can open it, the card inserts. I thought I ordered something different. We'll see. Okay, no. I ordered these. Let me look at my invoice. Yes, I did order. These are the passport dashboards. I ordered 2 of the passport dashboards. Okay. So there are 2 of the passport dashboards. I wanted to see, I've been using my Chic Sparrow. This is a Chic Sparrow, if you can see that. I'll try to get rid of the glare. And it is in the Black Beauty creme leather, and I've got some stuff in here from Keely Reichman set up for Halloween. I have a couple of different setups going. I've got a passport that I'm using, and then I also have a pocket rings. I'm trying different things. I love the passport size, and it's Halloween, and I wanted this to get some use. And I had already designed, you can hear the little puppy is here. I'm sorry about the jingling. So I've been using this as my wallet, but I've been using the other as a planner, and I've got some cute stuff in there. I might give a tour later. But the only dashboards I've ever owned were the ones by Foxy Fix. And it looks like these are just a little bit bigger than the Foxy Fix #1 dashboards. But since they are a Chic Sparrow, you can see they do have that little cutout there, and then they have the little protector there to make sliding stuff in and out easier. And they used to, yes, they still do say Chic Sparrow right there in the front. I think you can remove that if you use like a little bit of like nail polish remover, if you don't like seeing that on your dashboard, because you can do the exact same thing with the Foxy Fix, and I've done that with those. So I got those to go in my passports. But one of my favorite leathers, and I had a passport in it and I got rid of it, and so what I decided to get, since they still had it, was, if I can open this, I pulled it out wrong. That's my fault. I decided to get one of the Nanos You can see that's a nano, and this is the Mr. Darcy toffee leather, since this is going to no longer be around, which is sad, but I understand. But I had a passport in it, and I got rid of it, and it's one of those things. There's a few notebooks that you're like, no, why did I get rid of that? But I would love to have a passport in this leather again, but since I can't, I decided to get a nano, and I might try during the month of November to see if I can condense what I have in here into this little beauty. Because, you know, if you look, it's much smaller and a little bit more compact, and definitely will fit in my pocket better. But also what I have in here is I have a nano single and a nano wallet. So here is the single, so it just has the one on each. And then this one is the double. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is perfect for keeping your IDs. So I haven't decided how I'm going to set this up. I haven't decided what inserts I'm going to use. I might use the, I bought some, like a whole set of inserts. Very cool. I bought a whole set of inserts, like digital downloads that I'm wanting to use, I think, for this. But when I do set this up, I will post a video, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful this leather is. There is something that I'm wanting to do. I've been using my boho dory, which you've seen in the mustard. It's a personal size, but I've got a lot. You can see I've crammed it full of B6 Slim inserts. And so something that I've been wanting to do is, if I can use this size for all of my journaling and that type of stuff for the remainder of the year, so that means October, November, and December, what I'm going to do is either buy a B6 Slim in the, I think it's Claire, that beautiful pull-up leather brown, or in the creme leather, but in the dark chocolate. I haven't decided, but I'm giving myself, you know, some time to really see if this is a size that I like, and I've been loving it. I've got some dashboards in here. Those are actually personal and I think field note size? No, passport size. I've got a folder and a daily planner. I've got my B6 Slim insert that I've been watercoloring in quite a bit. Here's some stuff I did yesterday. That is Payne's Gray, quinacridone rose, and quinacridone lilac, I think. That kind of makes that sort of beautiful moon glow-esque in places colors. These are Distress Inks by Tim Holtz, and then these are a bunch of my blues and some of those quins in Payne's Gray. So if I can stick with this insert, there's a photo I posted. If I can stick with this size through the end of the year, and I love this size. I've used it in the past, and I've got like 4 or 5 art and journal inserts already filled. That will be my treat to myself because I can't get this leather in the B6 Slim anymore. I just wanted to share these cute items that I got from Chic Sparrow, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will make sure that I link Chic Sparrow in the info box. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.